Hello everybody, my name is Prince Tosu. I come from Cote d'Ivoire and I want to talk to you about education, about educational. So, biggest reason you should consider a study abroad program is the opportunity to see the world by studying abroad. You will see the world by studying abroad. You will experience a brand new a country with incredible new outlook, custom and activity. And in addition, when you abroad, you won't be limited to traveling in just in the nation in which you are studying. You can see neighboring country as well. For example, if you study in France, you will have the option to travel from various parts of Europe. Another reason you may consider studying abroad is for the chance to experience different styles of education. By enrolling in a study abroad program, you'll have the chance to see a side of your major that you may not have been exposed to at home. You'll find that completely immersing yourself in the education system, system of your host country is a great way to really experience and understand the people, its traditional and its culture. Take in new culture. Many students who choose to study abroad are leaving their home for the first time. When they arrive in their new host country, they are fascinated by the distinct cultural perspective. When you study abroad, you will find incredible new food, customs, tradition, and social atmosphere. Yes, you will find that you have a better understanding and appreciation for the nation, people, and history. You will have the opportunity to witness a completely new way of life. So another chance, if you're planning on studying abroad of the major race, is the opportunity to study a foreign language. Studying abroad grants you the opportunity to completely immerse yourself in a new language, and there is no better way to learn than to drive again. In addition, for the considerable language prejudice you will get just in day-to-day life. Your host university will likely offer language courses to provide you with a more formal education, immerse yourself in a new culture, and go beyond a purely academic experience. So, feel new interest. If you are still questioning why to study abroad, you should know that studying in a different country over many new activities are interest that you may never have discovered if you stayed at home. You might think that you have at as yet undiscovered talent for hiking. Yes, for hiking with a sports, snow skiing, golf, art of various other new sport, football. You may never have tried before. So, make lifelong friends. One of the biggest benefits of studying abroad is the opportunity to meet new lifelong friends from different backgrounds. While studying abroad, you will attend school and live with students from your host country. This gives you the opportunity to really get to know and create lasting relationships with your fellow students. After the study abroad program, and make an effort stay in contact with your international friends. In addition to rewarding personal relationship, best friend can also be important networking tools later down the road. So, personal development, there is nothing quite like being on your own in a foreign country. You might think that studying abroad really bring out your independent nature. Students who study abroad become explorers of the new nation and really discover the curiosity and excitement, yes, that they abhor. A benefit to studying abroad is the opportunity to discover yourself while gaining on understanding of a different culture. So, being in a new place by yourself can be overwhelming at times, and it tests your ability to adapt to diverse situations while being able to problem solve. So, graduate school admission like a future employer, graduate school admission board lock every highly on study abroad experience. Students that study abroad display diversity and show that they aren't afraid to seek out new challenge or put themselves in difficult situations. Most importantly, students who have studied abroad show just your committed. They are to look for candidate who will bring a challenge, who will bring a new challenge and afraid to seek out new challenge or put themselves in difficult situation. Most importantly, students who have studied abroad show just how committed they are to their education. Graduate school regularly look for candidates who will bring a unique aspect to the university. Students who have studied abroad have shown that they have the curiosity Yes, curiosity and educational achievement to be a leader in graduate school. So life experience why study abroad for most students this time may be the only opportunity they ever get to travel abroad for a long period of time. Eventuality you will find for a long period of time. Yes, of time. Eventuality you will find a job and career, and the opportunity to study abroad may turn out to be in a lifetime opportunity. Take this opportunity to travel the world with no commitment but to study and learn about new cultures. Studying abroad is an experience unlike any other. Thank you.